Import receipts. Learn how to import receipts in Zoho Books to record customer payments quickly and accurately. This tutorial shows how to upload receipts, match them to invoices, and keep your account receivable up to date. You can use this import receipt option if you are migrating from another system to Zoho, or if you want to import transactions from your bank statement or any other documents. You can import receipts from payment received under sales module. You can click this more actions button, this three-dotted button, and select import payments. So this is the process. First we need to configure, next map field, and we can preview the import process. You need to select your file, import file. So when you are creating that import file, you can download that sample files. You can download in CSV format or XLS format. We will try to download sample file. I'll use this sample XLS file. In this Excel file, there are a few fields that customer name, payment numbers, amount, exchange rate, bank charges, date, mode, invoice details. Those details will available here. So you need to fill your data to this Excel file, and you can import to the system. In this file, there's another sheet, payments explanation. So this will explain how to fill that document. So field name there, description, field specifications, allowed values, mandatory. These details will be there. So you can check this explanation and you can fill your data. We will select that file. Right now, this file uploaded. Next, we have to map our columns. Now, in addition to that, system can auto-generate payment numbers. Now here we have entered that payment number. If you want, you can allow system to auto-generate payments number by checking this checkbox. After that, you can click next. Now here, that fields will available here. These are Zoho Books fields, and this is important file headers. So we have to map our Excel file headers to Zoho Books headers. Here payment number suffix, date, those details will available, and red color values are mandatory files. So we have to map those fields with the Excel file. So if you don't map, you cannot import those files. And in addition to that, there are date formats. So in this our file format, its date format is year, month, date. So system has identified that method, year, month, date. If you have a different format, you can select from this drop down menu, and you need to map these headers. Now for an example, this payment mode here, we can map this mode like this, then it will apply for the receipt. So if you map this, that when you are importing receipts, that payment method will apply for that receipts. So like that, you can map your fields. Okay, so you can enter the invoice details. So now if you enter invoice details, system will automatically allocate that receipt to the invoice. If you are not enter invoice details, you need to manually apply that receipts to the invoices. So like that, you can map your fields. After that, you can click next. Now if you have done any modifications here, you can check this option, save these selections for use during future imports. So then system will save these changes and it will use for future imports. After that, you can click next. Now from here you can preview how is your import file upload process. Now here in this sheet we have 3 records, there. So now this is not imported to the system. Invoice does not exist, so we have taken sample file, therefore it is not available in that invoice is not available. So we will remove this one, save. We will change these numbers also. We will take auto generate number, and I have created this customer name. Available. We'll try that import to that file. Go to sales, select payment received, select this auto more actions, that 3 dotted button, select import payments, choose file. I select the sample payments and I'll select this auto generate payment numbers and click next. Payment number, I'll use sample number. Save. We'll try again. Go to payment received, click more actions, import payments, choose file, next. Okay, deposit to account. This bank not available. I'll enter my bank, save. Again we go back to our sheet, import payments, select file, right. Now you can see invoice payments that are ready to be imported, 3. Now you can import 3 of 3 payments imported. Now here my payment numbers are 150, 151, 152. So these are available in the system for this customer. So like that, you can import your receipts to the system. So currently we have only 3, but if you have more receipts to import, you can, it's very easy for you to import to the system by using this import option. In addition to that, now sometimes you may have created a custom field, so without downloading this Excel file, sample file, you can export your existing file, and you can fill your data to this Excel file and you can import to the system. So this is also similar. So you can download the sample file, or you can export existing data and you can fill that required data to this exported file and you can import to the system. So like that you can import your receipt to the system.